What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I'm infatuated with Bluetooth hats. After discovering this, I guess I just can't get enough of them. And so you've checked out, hopefully, some of those other videos about beanies with Bluetooth receivers and speakers in them. But I went ahead and I picked this sucker up because this is a serious outdoor winter hat. And again, right here on the side is kind of that telltale sign. It's a little leather-like, it's a little vinyl pad, and it's basically your Bluetooth controller. So you can turn it on and off by holding down this button. Play, pause is right there, and then advance, rewind, and volume controls. Little LED light in there as well to show you that it's either in pairing mode or ready to play. And then on this little box right there, on the inside of it, we have a speaker. And as you can see, the front of the hat be here, so it would be on my ear. Now on this side, you actually have another speaker. It's going to be hard to see there, but it's just buried in there. No controls on the outside. But when you put this bad boy on, you're going to have a speaker on each ear built into the hat. Wow. All right, so true unboxing. I can see the speakers are actually kind of just behind my ear, so they're not right on top of my ear. That's going to be because everyone's going to have a slightly different shaped head. But one thing that I was really worried about with this hat is that it would be too tight on my head. I have a giant head. If you've ever played basketball and held a basketball in your hands, that's like a miniature representation of my head. My head is huge. And so hats, especially winter hats that don't really stretch, tend to feel really tight, but this does not. It's actually a little bit loose, as you can see. All right, so kind of like the these outdoor hats, we've got some big flaps so you can draw it around your chin here. We actually have a chin strap, which is kind of like a little backpack strap, so you can close it here and cinch it down, snap it in, and then you can tighten this bad boy down so it holds this faux fur right against your skin. That's going to create a nice seal, really comfortable. It's already getting pretty warm because I'm indoors. Then we have like this nylon outer shell, which should be good for kind of shedding moisture. You know, if you're out in the snow, should wick that away. But even I would think moisture like rain droplets would probably kind of bead up on this and roll off. And again, you got the fur up here too, and fur completely lining the thing. Now, one of the most interesting things about this and why I picked this one up as opposed to some of the other ones, which were just the hat, is it has like this face mask on it. And I'm planning on using this. When I'm out snowblowing, you know, you kind of get the snow being thrown, but a lot of times the swirling winds, it still nails you with some of that snow. And so having this on here, is going to be super nice. Now, I'm going to pull this off here because there's two snaps on either side. And as you can see, we have two snaps here and there. We also have these little elastic, not exactly sure why, but especially since they snap on. But this is nylon on the outside. Again, kind of the same material on the hat. But if you look on the inside here, I would call this a synthetic material too, but it's much softer and much more porous. It almost kind of feels like a cotton t-shirt. That's going to be nice because when that's on your face, it's going to kind of create a little bit of a catch for your breath, right? So you're not going to have all that moisture just being held or kind of you know, reflected and redirected right against your face and in your hat and all that. So that's going to go on just like this, and man, I feel like a ninja. So these are going to snap on here. And you put one there, and then you snap this sucker on here. Can I find it? There we go. And then you can snap the ones down below on too, but boom! Even better. Boom! Booyah! I am ready for the great outdoors. Whatever kind of weather we have this winter, I'm going to be out fully protected from the snow and the elements. And on top of that, I'm going to be listening to my hot jams. You know, Party in the USA by Miley Cyrus or Rick Astley. I might be listening to them anyway. Hey, if you want to pick up this hat because of the Bluetooth functionality and the fact that this sucker seals you up in the winter, check out the link in the description below. Peter Von Panda.